Photoline is a registered trademark of Computer Insel, and I am in no way affiliated with Computer Insel. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make some adjustments to a selection you've made with your lasso. So I'm going to come up here to my rectangular lasso and select, I'm going to select the cat here. And what I can do from here is if I come up to Edit, I can come down and either cut or copy. I'm going to go ahead and copy that selection. And if I come back to Edit, I can paste in existing document, and that's going to create a copy of my selection, and it's going to put it on a new layer, if you'll notice down here in the bottom left underneath Layers. And from here I can just click and drag that wherever I want in my document. I'm going to go ahead and undo that. And also, if you come up to Edit and select Paste As Document, that's going to create my selection in a brand new document there. But I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Also, if you have a mouse with multiple buttons, you can right-click or you can hold down Control and click, and these are going to give you many of the same options. You've got your copy here, and I can also erase, and that's going to fill in my selection with my background color. I'm going to go ahead and undo that. And also you can crop it as well, and that's going to crop my image there. Go ahead and undo that as well. And also another thing you can do is if you click on one of these squares on the sides or corner of your selection, you can scale it, but also if you Control click, you can select Rotate, and from there you can rotate your selection. And you can also shear it and distort it as well. So those are some of the things you can do with your lasso selection in Photoline.